Hello everyone watching TWS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix app icon not showing on home screen or app icon missing problem on your Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra or Plus. So first of all, just do subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So to fix app icon not showing or missing problem on your Galaxy S22 Ultra or Plus, just go to settings and follow every single step as I am showing you in this video.